Charlotte boy hasn't been feeling good, so he doesn't let us always put the bucket on. He doesn't want to eat food out of the bucket. I don't know if he's got problems or whatever, but there they come. So now this horse we pulled him early because he gets a lot of food and it takes him a long time to eat, so we give him his separate thing, and then in the end he'll end up going back in there. And he gets alfalfa hay, so. Oh. All right, you guys. Yeah, special. All right, just a minute. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Hi, you.
All right. Okay. Here's yours, right, Grimmer? Well, I'll tell you what, this horse, retired racehorse, oh my God, see him on? He's the fastest horse I've ever seen in my life. You are one fast cookie, huh? So, we got Stu, Muggsy. You ready? There you go, Muggsy. All right, Stu. Okay, now, I'm going to find Charlie. Oh, you got it? Charlie. I know you already had your food, so I'll just give you a little bit of this food, just to pacify you, but I have to really give it to Charlie, okay? I know you won't mind because you don't want to food.
Oh, I see him. He's away in the barn. Look at that. These guys are waiting. Let's meet some of these horses. I don't have your food buckets. Oh, look at you guys. Look at you guys. Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, be nice, be nice. What are you wearing on your head? Huh? Look at that contraption. Huh. Oof, oof. I'm sorry, I don't have any buckets. I don't have any buckets. Oh, yeah? Greta. Oh, I'll take it.
Next to her, that's
Rooster.
That's the Travis.
Oh, yeah? We'll take them. Heard it before. We heard it before. Oh, 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 fight. Horse fight. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, you tell him. No sassing around here. Food's coming. Yeah, I know.
Right? Let's try it and see how it works. We never actually know who's going to be where. Except you. You want to be Who's second? Huh? You're second. Over here? He likes to put his up on the fence and eat out of it. Jovi? Ooh. Okay, Greta. No place for you to get in? No place? They won't let you in? They're not gonna let you in? Can I get it on you over here? I'm not gonna make you touch the fence, right? Okay. That's him. Let's go. We'll be back. All right, guys.
Bye.
We'll be back. Anybody riding in the ring? No.
Yeah, the paint at the corner.
I usually don't go through somebody's riding in the ring.
Oh, yeah. He's already raised. This will desensitize him.
So these are fences. Nice
Yeah, no, I jumped this
jumpers.
crossrail last time I was here.
Yeah.
We did that one, that one.
Guess some girls are actually jumping higher. They have better horses. Oh, they took some of them down. All right, that one's up. This one's up.
If I was gonna ride, I would definitely want to jump. I probably need to take some lessons again.
Hang on, Brewster. Hang on, buddy.
Oh, where are we going?
Taking the buckets off.
Oh.
Taking buckets off.
Taking buckets off? Do you have to put more on?
No, they just have to come off.
Oh.
They don't get to wear them. Some horses have to wear them, like in there. Everybody in that pen has to wait until I make sure everybody else has finished their bucket. So I make them wait the longest because Chauncey takes forever. Did he knock his bucket off? I think he did. Oh, okay. So let's get the girls. Okay, girls, it's cooking time. How many do I need? 6?
Dinner and dessert. Spoiled.
Here's yours. Okay. Hi, baby. What's my baby girl doing, huh? There we go.
Do these buckets go back on the... Well, I guess I don't know where to put them. There's a certain order to them. Hey, you. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this. Honk. Some earmuffs. Yeah. It's kind of cold out. I can't take my gloves off. They're gonna get all hairy and dirty. Look at this beautiful bags. Mm-hmm. Oh, I think there's a pony out there. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll keep petting. Wow, there's a lot of horses here, huh? You want to come home with me?
She's not going to waste any steps. She's going to meet me at the gate. Just in case I have one left over for you. I don't. Yeah, but I'll get you something. I'll get you something later. Here we go.